Hey guys, welcome to iCloud Go. If your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone locked to owner screen after updating to iOS 26 and you don't know the Apple ID or password, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a DNS bypass method that can help you access your device temporarily. No Apple ID required. Before we begin, a quick warning. This method does not permanently remove the activation lock. It only gives temporary access to some basic features. And please, only use this on devices you own or have legal permission to unlock. So what is DNS bypass? It's a trick that uses a custom DNS server to intercept your iPhone's activation request and redirect it to a web-based portal. This gives you access to a limited set of functions, like browsing the web or viewing certain content without fully unlocking the device. It's not a full unlock, but it can be helpful in some cases. Alright, let's go through the steps to set it up. On the iPhone Lock to Owner page, tap to back to the Select Wireless LAN page. Then press and hold the side button to bring up More Settings. Select Wireless LAN Settings. Now tap the eye icon next to the connected Wi-Fi. Scroll down and tap Configure DNS. Choose Manual and delete the existing DNS server IP. Then enter the corresponding DNS server IP according to your region. Once done, tap Save and back to the WLAN page. Tap the connected Wi-Fi and wait for the page to jump. If you get to the activation lock page, back to the wireless LAN page again and tap Wi-Fi. If everything goes well, your iPhone should now redirect to the DNS Bypass portal, a web-based menu where you can access limited functions. If it doesn't redirect automatically, reboot your device. Then tap the connected Wi-Fi again. Once the DNS menu appears, here's what you can do. Start the game in the Games page. Watch videos and listen to songs in the Media page. Use search and maps on internet pages. Remember, DNS bypass is temporary and only offers partial access. If you switch Wi-Fi networks, you'll need to set it up again. And Apple may block this method in future updates, so it's not guaranteed to work forever. If you're the rightful owner but forgot the Apple ID password, try resetting it at iforgot.apple.com. Or, if you want to remove the activation lock altogether, then 4UKey can help. But it requires your device to be on the supported list. You can find the download link for 4UKey in the description below the video. Okay, this is how to use DNS to bypass access to an iPhone locked to the owner on iOS 26. It's not a permanent solution, but it can help in the short term. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and unlock methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.